Oh, hey guys, welcome to my studio. Promised you a video about 2 years back in 2018 and you never got it, but we're here today and that's all that matters. This is the space that me, Tyrus, and my dad built. We didn't build, but we renovated an old shed into the studio space so that we can work separate to our living area, and it's just been a great place to work. I have the desk here for me. Over here is another spot to work. Tyrus works there sometimes. I have this couch here where we can just chill, relax, take a break, and just other storage things, various things. And I'm gonna walk you through it all, guys, so let's take a look over here first. All right, guys, so starting as soon as you come in from the door to the left, you have this area right here. Here I store my backpacks, my hats, I have my camping backpack right here, and then my camera backpack. Also got my machete here in case there's any unwarranted visitors, always gotta be prepared. And then coming this way, I have these shelves that Tyrus Ross kindly gifted to me. He was a part of this build. And so up top you have the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. My first camera, shot my first Instagram edits on this. Love this thing. Got my stabilizer. My first stabilizer, used that for a long time. And it's just something that means a lot to me. And then my first DSLR camera, Canon T3i. Another thing that means a lot to me, don't use it much anymore, but it got me started, so I always have it up on the shelf to remind me of my beginnings. And then lastly, the vintage trading cards of Mount Bethel Media House right there. Didn't last long, but it was a good one. So got those there. This is kind of my memorabilia area. Below that, have my longboard. Still have to learn how to longboard better, but it's there, it looks sick. Got a little storage bin right there. So yeah, that's it for this corner, the memorabilia corner. I also shoot this way, so I like to have this looking nice. Think about getting a black curtain drop down to just make this whole setup look super clean. So yeah, that's this section of the studio. Now let's go over here and check out this section. All right guys, the next section of the studio is the lounge area. Got this $40 futon off of Facebook Marketplace. Gets the job done in this handcrafted table, coffee table, made by my dad and I. Made a video on that. The link is in the description. Also keep my book that I'm reading right here. The current one is Bonhoeffer, about a pastor and a martyr who was part of the scheme to assassinate Adolf Hitler. Very interesting. It's thick, but hopefully I can get through it. And I also have my Yeti. Always drink out of this thing. Got to get yourself one of these. And down there I have some storage in this bin. And under here I just got a little Manfrotto tripod thing for vlogging and stuff like that. So that's that. All right guys, this brings me to my editing station. First I have this Staples chair, which I've had since 2015. This came from my room playing Xbox Minecraft with the boys back in the day. Lots of memories in this chair, and it's only right to keep it. Also a little squeaky, but that's fine. I also, up top, I have my keyboard, which is just the Apple keyboard right here. I like my desk to be clean, no distractions. And then I have my MX Master Pro mouse. It's one of the best mouse for editing. It's just super diverse, and I love it so much. And then I have my monitor. It's a dock set up to my 2017 MacBook Pro. It's just the HP Pavilion monitor. Love it, works great. And then down in this storage section, I have my brand new 70-200 lens. Can't wait to get out there shooting weddings with this thing, get those faces, get those reactions, and other events and stuff like that. So I'm excited to use this. And then down below, just a storage bin. All right, then moving right to the desk, right from the desk, you have my Bose SoundLink Mini 2, always have music playing, always vibing. I have Worship Session by Jonathan Ogden playing right now. Just chill piano vibes, beautiful worship music to work to. And then below that, I have two bins here. The first bin contains my audio stuff, so I have my Tascam, shotgun, all that kind of stuff. And then this bin, I have camera mounts, accessories, batteries, all that kind of stuff. And then below that, I have my Mavic Air, my drone, and then three other lenses. So my 10-18 for vlogging, Sigma to 17-50. That's an old lens which I've upgraded and looking to sell. So contact me if you want that. And then I also have my Canon 100mm for those close detail shots for weddings and all that kind of stuff. And then moving to the right, I have this second workstation, and when Tyrus is not here, I'm always keep my Bible here. I have this Genki chair here just for shooting and stuff like that. But my Bible, I always hop in the Word before I work, get my mindset straight. And then I have this deer skull that my dad shot. I think it's really cool decor. And then I have books down there that I've read, other storage, my Wi-Fi router, my guitar if I ever want to jam. These sound panels that I got off of Amazon, kind of for the aesthetic, but they do work a little bit. And then actually, one last thing before we close it out, right here, my Kobe Bryant jersey hanging from the rafters. Love this guy, Rip Kobe, you're the GOAT, no debate. So I always have that hanging up there. Make sure that doesn't catch on fire. Love you, Kobe. But that's that. Let's close this video out, guys. All right, guys, that's my studio. I hope you liked it. I hope you saw everything that you wanted to see back in 2018, but I've perfected it now. If you see anything that you think could use tweaking to make this setup more efficient, let me know. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, share with your friends and all that good stuff, guys. I'll see you later. Peace.